Ok, vamos. Alright, so hoy vamos a hablar sobre capítulo 3, the segunda parte, whoops, the second part of the vocabulario, which is on la ropa or clothing. How fun. Okay, pointing to this man, this is a dependiente, or another word would be empleado. Again, if it was a female, it would be empleada or la dependiente. That just refers to a sales clerk or an employee. Again, I'm going to go through these words pretty quickly, so just write them down. Take all of them down. El cliente or la cliente would be a customer. Getting into some clothes, las ropas. Una chaqueta, jacket. Again, try to pronounce them with me. Again, this will really help you when it comes to having an oral exam. Un suéter, a sweater. It's almost time for that. Un abrigo, a coat. Un par de pantalones vaqueros. Okay, this is very, very formal. Honestly, in reference to blue jeans, you'll hear Hispanics say blue jeans. So I'm going to let you say that too, blue jeans, because it's more popular. Pantalones, though, that means pants. So unless you were referring to blue jeans, you'll say pantalones. Un sombrero. Again, some people think of a sombrero just as oh, isn't that like what a Mexican mariachi band people wear? No, okay, not just that, but sombrero in general means hat. Una camiseta, that would be a t-shirt. Una camiseta, a t-shirt. Un vestido, a dress. Unos pantalones cortos, shorts. Literally translated, short pants. Look at there. Una falda, skirt. Una blusa, blouse. Una camisa, a shirt. So don't get this confused with t-shirt. T-shirt is camiseta. That's less formal, right? A t-shirt you just throw on, but a camisa is a shirt that is a little bit more nicer. Button up, something like that. Unos pantalones, pants, some pants. La talla, what does this mean? La talla, the size, small, medium, large. Unos zapatos de tenis. Zapatos de tenis. Tennis shoes or sneakers. Unas sandalias. Sandals. Unas botas. Boots. That's why if you've seen Dora the Explorer, that's why the monkey is named Botas, because he wears the big boots. Yeah. Unos zapatos, that just means shoes in general. So unless you're talking about boots or tennis shoes or sneakers, you would just reference all the shoes go under zapatos. El número, yes, that means number. It also can mean shoe size. So like the number of your shoe size. Unos calcetines or unas medias would be socks. Un traje de baño means a bathing suit. Okay? Un saco, a sport coat, blazer, jacket. Una bolsa, a purse. All right, that just means it's made of algodón, cotton, lana, wool, or seda, silk. So if you want to say it's made of, you would say es de algodón, lana, seda, or whatever your stuff is made of. Para hombres, that just means for men. So you're going to need to know that, right? If you're dressing for men or for women. So women would be para mujeres, for the ladies. Para niños, for the kids, the children. Los colores. Okay? We haven't officially gone over colors yet. They're posted in my room, but we're going to go over them now. I expect you to know these. Amarillo. Anaranjado. Rojo. Amarillo, which is actually violeta. That's what it should be. That's my fault. Negro. Gris. Blanco. Café. Morado. Azul. Verde. So this one right here, this shouldn't be right there. It should be violeta. So spell violet and add an A at the end. Unas corbatas for the men. Gotta wear those ties. Alright. Me queda grande. Me quedan grandes. That means they fit big. And yes, they do. Me queda grande. Me quedan grandes. So it fits big. They fit big. Me queda pequeño or pequeña. Me quedan pequeños or pequeñas. They fit small. So they're a little too small. I would agree with that. So quedar bien means to fit well. And quedar mal means to fit not so well. To fit badly. Tienda de ropa means a clothing store. This word right here just means, right? Remember, you can't show possession, so it's literally store of clothes. Right? Store. Tienda. El dinero. Money. The guap. Okay? As y'all would refer to it. La caja. Cash register. Trabajar. Now we're getting into some verbs. Trabajar. To work. Necesitar. To need. Necesitar. Buscar. To search for or to look for. Buscar. Comprar. To buy. Comprar. Pagar. Pagar. To pay. Here are some otras palabras útiles, some other really helpful, useful words that you're going to need to know. This one in orange, orangey yellow right here. Cuánto cuesta? How much? You're going to need to know this. This is the most important one, obviously, because when you're going to buy stuff, wherever you are, that's such an important question to ask. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Because you want to know, how much does this cost before I just pay a lot of money for this, right? And here's some other ones you need to know. Some of these you should already be familiar with, but just to clarify with them. Antes de, before. Durante, during, that's a cognate word. Después de, after. Cerca de, close to or near to. Lejos de, far. Adonde. Cuando. ¿Por qué? And I forgot to put the question marks, but around them. ¿Por qué? Notice it's the same thing. This one has an accent mark and it's two words. This one just has one. So separated, it means why. Together, because. Mira. You're going to hear me say this a lot. Mira, mira, mira. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much? Definitely need to know that one. Big star. ¿Qué pasa? What's happening? And usar means to use. And that is it. That is the fin. That is the end of this vocabulario, of this vocab. So go back, study these, write them all down, of course, and practice your pronunciación with every palabra, okay? That way it'll be good practice for you come game time, right? Adiós y Dios te bendiga. Ciao.